Free weight loss guide. Friends, there is something common between you and me that those things which we get for free, usually we do not take care of them as they should be. For example, if we talk about our breath, our mindset, our thoughts, or the air which we have, but we do not care about it. That's why we think that there is no special utilization of those things. The same thing happens with our diet also. And I will be covering in this very video that how you can improve your health and how you can reduce your weight for free. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm the author of the book Know Your Fitness and I am the founder of the community Know Your Fitness Club. And I am on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune and to have a great body. That's why I have created a course known as 6-week challenge which usually help out to people to achieve their fitness in 6 weeks only. Friends, if we talk about the weight losing, it is very easy task. You just need to consume less than your requirement, and after that you need to take a break, and in break time you need to consume what is your actual requirement, and again you need to come into the weight loss diet. It is a very simple thing, but usually so many people do not take care of this thing, and this is the big problem. So today I would like to tell you that what are the 3 things which you can apply in your life in a very easy basis and you don't need to even pay for it. The number one thing. The number one thing is this, that walk in your life. Friends, we are meant to walk, we are meant to do workouts. If we talk about the evolution of human science or human people, then we used to be the hunter, and after that we used to sow the seed to reap the food out of it. And now just because of the easy access of the food, we are becoming unfitter, and right now the children are also facing the problem of obesity. That's why it means that we need to move. If you have any kind of a job where you need to sit, but at least you can move 15 to 20 minutes every day and go for a small walks. I like to suggest to all the working people that they can go for a walk once they finish their office. They should not go into the parking and just go and pick up their vehicle. They just need to walk. It will be really good for them. Friends, walking can impact your life so much because it does not require much out of you. Friends, the second thing which is totally free, the second thing is this, that don't eat single type of a food anytime. Friends, imagine for a moment that you have a plate on your hand, and right now what I want you to have the 4 parts of the plate. The one part is the vitamins and minerals, the another part is the fat, the another part is the protein, and another part is the carbohydrate. So have the rice and the dal along with 1 spoon of a ghee along with the salad, and just have one plate only of all these things. If you are full from your stomach, then you don't need to consume any junk food. But if you are only hungry, that's why you are consuming the food. And that's why this is the whole science. You need to consume all the nutrients in a single plate. I totally understand that at times you have to go for parties and there are some office parties or there are some kind of mood swings. On that time you go for the cakes, pastries, samosas and other kind of stuff and pani puri. On that time you are allowed to have, but before you consume all those things, I like to suggest to you that have a water before all of these kind of mood swings, because the same part which works on the hunger in our mind, the same part also instruct to us that we need to consume water. And so many times it appears to us that we are hungry, but actually we are thirsty. So that's why try this. Whenever you are consuming any kind of a meal, try to consume a water before it and you will see the magic. And if water is free. Friends, the third thing which you need to have. The third thing is the mindset. I still remember that around 4 years back, I used to be afraid to say no to my colleagues, that I don't want to go for the parties, that I don't want to consume the samosa, that I don't want to consume the cake. Just because of the social pressure, I used to think that because I can become the part of the community, so that's why I used to consume the junk food along with them. But friends, you can make an impact by changing your mindset. Right now, as per my mindset, I do not consume any of the junk food, whether any person who pushes me. Or that's why after, because I have prepared myself in such a way, that's why people are also knows this thing that I am not going to consume any junk food in their home. So that's why they do not even suggest me to have that kind of food. But I have made this thing into me very strictly. The first of all thing which I did, that I was not killing my heart, because what I have seen that so many people has some kind of a desire to have the cake and pastry, but they are killing their desire and not consuming them. But what I did, that I know that what is the food science, so that's why I usually consume the good food first. After that, I also know this thing, that what is the hormonal effect on the mind. And if we talk about particularly any kind of food, whether it is samosa, kachori, pani puri, or pastry or cakes. So I totally understand this thing because I have gained some knowledge on it, and I have experience in my life, that usually how I feel after consuming the pastry and how I feel after consuming the salads. There is a huge difference. After consuming a pastry, I instantly feel happiness, and after that I feel acidity. And once I consume the salad, on that time I don't feel fine, but later on whole day I feel energetic. You can also do. So friends, it's your mindset, that how do you take your fitness? How do you give priorities to your fitness? Is exercise the important thing for you, or the money is the important thing for you? Because if you are not going to do workouts and be fit in your life, then the money which you have right now, it is for a short term, because one day you are going to give all these money to the doctors only to save your life. And it's a fact, once you reach a age of the 40s 50s, then you are going to realize that what you have lost in your life, because it's just your half life only. So friends, half life you did not take care, and right now you are taking care of your health. So be attention on this. Friends, still you have a hope, still you have a time. Try to invest some amount of money. How do you take your fitness? Are you ready to invest your money to gain your knowledge, so that you can apply that knowledge in your life and gain the permanent fitness in your life? Or you just want to go from one gym to another and not getting any gains? What kind of a mindset you have? What kind of a mindset you have, that once you are not reaching your goals, your destination to achieve your fitness, then how do you deal with it? Are you positive or are you negative? It's a mindset. So friends, once we are on our weight loss journey, on that time our body fights with us and our metabolism slows down. And on that time, what kind of a mindset you have, it is the thing, because every time every weight loss journey stops, you cannot lose your weight for your whole life. You need to build your muscles also, you need to do some efforts also, you need to improve yourself in workouts also. And those people who are doing this thing, and those millionaires are also doing this thing, so that's why they are happy, healthy, and they have the lots of money also. Friends, these all the things, if you're going to apply in your life, then definitely you will see so many changes into you. And friends, it's a say that food is your medicine and the food is your poison, and what you choose is totally depend on you. Friends, if you're looking forward for some permanent changes, that how to change your lifestyle and what is the particular design of a plate you should have, then feel free to contact me. I will help you out through my course for you. If you're connecting with me, then feel free to contact me and feel free to comment on this. Then I will try. If you have any queries, then feel free to comment on this. I will try to give answers of your queries in the comments only. Friend, this is your fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now. And I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness and be happy without any reason.